I like to see Vestre as a tool to change the world by doing two things. Firstly, we create caring meeting places where people come together, no matter what kind of social, cultural or economic background they're from. When people get to know each other and we share life experiences, exchange ideas and sit down and get to know each other, we suddenly discover there is no us and them, only we. So in a way, you can say that our furniture has a very clear social and inclusive purpose, which is to help create arenas for everyday democracy, as we call them. Creating caring meeting places is actually the best way to prevent a polarized society and to avoid antagonism and conflicts. And we are doing it one neighborhood at a time across the world. Secondly, Vestre is leading the manufacturing industry into a green shift by proving that green growth is possible. Yes, we are expanding fast and we create new and profitable jobs in many countries, which is a good thing, obviously. But at the same time, we are actually reducing our impact on the climate and nature by using fewer resources and by adapting to a fully circular economy where throwaway solutions don't exist. And this is really fundamental to Vestre. If you travel around Norway, you will find Vestre furniture from the 80s and the 70s and even the 50s, which is still out there being used and enjoyed in the harsh weather. We call it Vestre Vision Zero, and it means we will never make a single product that isn't intended to last forever. And if we can get everyone to adopt this approach, we will effectively be able to halt climate change and protect and restore both nature and biodiversity. We are building this breathtaking factory known as the Plus because we really want to do something that the world has never seen before. And by doing it, we will increase our manufacturing capacity, be able to deliver more rapidly to the entire world, and make our carbon neutral manufacturing even greener. This is possible due to groundbreaking technologies such as self-teaching robots, super-fast and fully automatic color switching, intelligent scanners and machinery which optimize the use of timber, fully autonomous forklifts, and IoT manufacturing platforms where the whole factory can actually be operated through a single iPad. Another important aspect of this project is of course the spectacular architecture designed by Bjarke Ingels Group. Visitors will be invited to the Vestre Experience Center where they can view our manufacturing and learn more about design, architecture, materials, technology and sustainability. And let's not forget the public park. We call it the Vestre Forest Camp, which provides fun and exciting activities for the whole family to enjoy. Yes, I'm pretty sure this will actually become one of Norway's most famous and popular landmarks in the years to come. Vestre's goal is to be recognized as the most sustainable furniture brand in the world, and our new factory is an important part of this mission. The project is Paris-proof, which means we will reduce our CO2 emissions by more than 50% compared to a similar conventional manufacturing setup. We will produce our own renewable energy, we will reuse 90% of the water, and the Plus will be the first building in the world of its type to meet the most stringent BREEAM Outstanding environmental certification. The factory itself is constructed from sustainable timber, low carbon concrete and recycled reinforcement steel. And through a very advanced system of solar panels, heat exchangers and energy wells, our energy consumption is reduced to an absolute minimum compared to similar factories. And there is more. We are probably building the most transparent factory in the world as well. Here there are no fences or closed-off areas. We invite people to visit our factory whenever they want. People can view our production close up through the large windows in all 4 factory wings. And they can even access the roof terrace 24/7 to explore the magnificent nature within this magic forest, which has a great history going back thousands of years. Visitors will have online access to all important manufacturing data like real-time energy production and energy consumption, climate impact, water reuse, and so on. This is actually the future of manufacturing, where there is no conflict between production, transparency, and sustainability. Our existing Snøhetta design factory in Sweden will now become our international center of excellence for steel and aluminum. Employing fully automatic laser cutting machines, robot welding and extremely skilled workers, this super efficient factory will supply our new color and wood factory here in Norway with high quality furniture components every day. The journey from Sweden to Norway takes about 1 hour and will of course be operated by electric trucks running on 100% renewable energy. The components will then be powder coated and assembled and furniture shipped to customers worldwide. We will produce faster, smarter and greener than ever before. Vestre cares a lot about resources. We already use the greenest possible steel in the world, which comes with 30% less CO2 emissions compared to cheaper steel. And we have a very ambitious yet achievable plan that within 5 years we will use only fossil-free steel, which is based on either hydrogen or carbon capture and storage, or 100% recycled steel. The aluminum we use is already based on 75% recycled post-consumer scrap, which means that its CO2 emissions are 8 times lower than the global average for aluminum. Our timber comes from sustainable certified forestry, and the manufacturing itself is based on 100% renewable energy. All in all, this is why our furniture has a minimal climate impact compared to any of our competitors. When my grandfather established Vestre back in 1947, he used to say that everything is possible for the Lord Almighty and a mechanic. At Vestre, we still believe anything is possible. We must dare to be bold, dare to think outside the box and dare to do the right things. There is too much talk about sustainability. We want to see real action. This is why we are building the world's most environmentally friendly and transparent furniture factory right here in this forest in Norway. Vestre alone cannot save the world, but we can accelerate the green shift through leadership and inspiring others. The Plus is by far the largest single investment in the furniture industry that Norway has seen in decades. And if Vestre can, so can others. And we will happily share everything we know to help other visionary people and companies around the world fulfill their dreams and aspirations to make the world a better place.